Have you ever pondered the transformative power of music amidst the throes of adversity? Picture this. The year is 1942, World War II is in full swing. A young soldier named Private James is stationed in the European theater of war. Amidst the turbulence of battle, James discovers an unexpected source of solace. An old weathered piano, tucked away in a makeshift shelter within the trench. Despite its battered appearance, the instrument still bears the capacity to create music. With a nod of approval from his commanding officer, James begins to steal moments of tranquility amidst the tumult, playing melodies that resonate with a sense of peace that belies their harsh surroundings. As the sound of the piano begins to permeate the trench, something remarkable begins to happen. Soldiers of various nationalities, ordinarily divided by language and culture, gather to listen to the harmonious notes. The music, it seems, has a language all its own, cutting through the barriers of nationality and fostering a sense of unity. Picture now an evening where the gunfire momentarily subsides. James sits down at the piano and begins to weave the melancholic strains of Auld Lang Syne into the quiet night. As the melody floats over the battlefield, soldiers from both sides, drawn by the music, cautiously emerge from their trenches. For a brief, magical moment, the battlefield falls silent, the music transforming enemies into listeners, united by this shared experience. Yet, as is the way of war, the guns soon resume their relentless chorus. Yet the memory of that extraordinary moment of unity lingers, a beacon of hope in the heart of darkness. The piano in the trenches stands as a testament to our capacity for compassion, our ability to find unity, even amidst the chaos of conflict. The war, like all wars, eventually finds its end. Yet the story of the piano in the trenches lives on, a powerful reminder of how music can transcend barriers, fostering unity, and offering solace in even the direst of circumstances. It is a poignant testament to the enduring power of music, a beacon of light in times of darkness, a symbol of the unbreakable human spirit.